Hey everyone, I just want to update you on this project. This is called Nightbear, and it is a project I'm working on for this game jam called Screamortality. As you can see, we're about halfway through the Screamortality time frame. We got 5 days left. It's due at the end of the month, and we've got some pretty cool things going on in this game. The concept of this game is essentially that you are a bear or teddy bear. And you're fighting against all the nightmare creatures that your kid is dreaming about. It's an action RPG. You can see we've got some little cutscenes here. We've got this music. This music actually made for us by an artist called Tudor, and this is just the first draft of the music. Also have art created by Peanut, also known as Derek, and whose last name I've forgotten. Derek Thomas. As you can see, we're still very much in progress here. Obviously we have no animations, but we do have some character models. Got these little spiders here, and they can damage me, and I can damage them if I click. So now that those are gone, more of them will spawn. And these spiders are pretty cool. They actually will walk on pretty much any surface that they can. So if I can, unlike me, but if I jump up there, they can actually climb up on the wall, and they'll just sort of walk along it, trying to get to me. They do occasionally get stuck, but there's the breaks. The music is it dynamically changes depending on the situation. So right now it's playing this battle theme. If I kill these guys, then the battle music will fade out and it'll switch back to the exploration music. This game has the game engine that I've created for this has a lot of dynamic stuff to it. All the attributes are objects here. So the health that's here is all its properties are determined by this. We got an ATB system that's not really doing anything yet. Also, death doesn't do anything yet. So that's pretty much where this game is at, and it gives you an idea of what to look for. And I will be posting these blogs maybe every day, maybe a couple times a day, depending on what we get done in a given day. Just wanted to give you some hints as to what's happening. So I will see you all later.